Anthropologists and Archeologists. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Anthropologists and archaeologists study the origin, development, and behavior of humans. Work environment. Anthropologists and archaeologists are commonly employed by research institutions, government agencies, and consulting firms. Although the majority of their time is spent in offices, some work in labs or in the field. Fieldwork may require travel for extended periods. How to become one. A master's degree or a PhD in anthropology or archaeology is required for anthropologists and archaeologists. Fieldwork experience in either discipline is also beneficial. Bachelor's degree holders may find work as assistants or field workers. Salary. The median annual wage for anthropologists and archaeologists is $63,670. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of anthropologists and archaeologists is expected to grow by 5%, faster than the average for all occupations. Because of the small number of positions compared to applicants, prospective anthropologists and archaeologists will likely face strong competition for jobs. Thanks for watching. To get the most up-to-date career and educational videos, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.